Look at this beast rolling in early this morning here at the Great Race Auto Show. That thing's got a little bit of everything on it. Look at the front fenders. All kind of detail in this. Evil Clown. Where you guys out of?
Indiana.
Yeah. '59 Cadillac tail lights. Look at that one on the headlight. Packard straight 8 and a 36 Terraplane. Or what started as a 36 Terraplane. Beautiful 68 Chevelle. 68, right? 9? Okay. Oh yeah, marker lights. That's a dead giveaway, sure. Nice, very nice. I love the collar.
Thank you.
So how long did it take you to build this, sir?
I didn't build it.
You
It
did?
was made on TV.
Oh, was it? Where at?
Restoration Garage.
Restoration Garage. I'll have to check that out.
You can watch step by step.
Step. So it's where are they based out of?
Canada.
Canada. Restoration Garage. Seems like I've heard of that.
They have the guild.
Oh, okay. How?
Restoration.
It's a big. Yeah, that's a big outfit.
Yeah.
How?
It was made for him.
Oh, really?
He had it specifically built, and my father-in-law saw it being made on TV.
Oh, wow.
And he called up there and he said, "I want that car out for sale." They called him about 3 or 4 times, and finally he said, "You want it more than I do."
That is such a cool story. So how long has he had it? Or you had it?
Well,
Or has it been bought off him? I mean.
well, my father-in-law had it down in Florida.
Okay.
He passed away.
Okay.
And I got it.
Okay.
So it's been up this way for about a year.
How long did he own it? How long did he buy? How long ago was it he bought off Restoration Garage? I guess.
2019.
I'll have to do some research on that.
Yeah,
Because I've heard of it. Because I've got a YouTube channel, but mine's small compared to that. But I've heard of that. I can't say I watch every episode, but I will definitely.
It's on
I'll-
episode 3 of 2017.
2017 episode 3 Restoration Garage. Yeah, I'll link it to this video so they can see it built. That's outstanding. It's definitely different. And what surprised me was it was kind of calm. You know, it wasn't like really loud, like you could hear yourself if you talking to your partner if you was driving down the road in it. But yeah, I like what, you know, when I first seen it come in, it was just so different. I like that. I didn't realize it was a Packard engine until I rode on there. And a 36 Terraplane is a very rare car anyway.
That's just the frame.
Just a frame. I was gonna say, what's the body?
3240.
Okay, that's what I was thinking when it came in.
It's chopped.
So the Terraplane's just the frame part. Okay. Well, it's definitely an art piece, that's for sure. That's cool that your father-in-law, you know, it's like, I want it, and kept bugging him till he got it. Something about this car just screamed him, huh?
Yeah. You see this artwork here on the side?
It's every time I look at something, I see something different. I was over here a little bit ago.
There's his artist.
Barry Bolt.
Did this,
Okay.
and he painted this and the extra stuff there.
Wow, it's just, and like the little windows, you know, little windshields or whatever you want to call.
From the boat.
A boat. Okay.
These
Then
are
you got
from-
military seats.
Yeah, Canadian jet fighter.
Wow. Restoration Garage. This light here, what
It's
do you?
probably for the boat.
I was gonna say it is so. It looks like the evil eye, don't it?
Yeah, and these are boat ones.
I recognize the '59 Cadillac tail lights.
These are 26 Buick headlights.
26 Buick. Wow, just for your father-in-law to want it, he must have been a different kind of guy, you know what I mean? I like it. Don't get me wrong, I'd drive it all day long. I like that they worked with a rusty trunk and just welded up past underneath. I like everything
See
about it.
little buddy there?
Oh, yeah. I see.
Yeah.
They broke the fingers off. I see. That's cool
Yeah.
to make it look like that.
4 wheels on the front.
Huh?
There's 4 wheels.
Oh, I did not notice that. I thought that was one wheel. Wow, there's motors. Wow, like dragster wheels.
Yeah.
Wow, that is different. Now tell me, how's it ride down the road at 55, 60?
That's a handful.
I was gonna say, man, that's different. I just wondered how the track was, you know, how it rode like it. Of course, they probably tested it and everything before he bought it. You know, they had it out and given it. Episode 3 of 2019 or 2017. He bought it in 19. You think? Okay. I'll have to go back and listen to my own video.
Really cool.
Oh, it's extremely cool. I mean, and this is what's getting attention anymore. This kind of stuff, Ratty Original, and you know, the Rat Rods has been around for a long time. But the kids that we want to get into, the youth into it, this is something that they go to. You know what I mean? And really, that's what we want to do: get the kids involved. Well, thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Thanks for looking.
Oh, I could not. How could I not? I mean, it's like you had a magnet and dragging me to it, buddy. This is my second video on it, so I'm glad I got to talk to you on this one.
It's for sale.
Is it for sale? You want to? How would they get a hold of you? Got email or something? I mean, I'm on video. I don't know if how much information you want to get out, but maybe you know.
We don't have them back.
Okay. You got a card? Is that what you're gonna give?
No, we have a pen and paper in the truck.
Okay, I'll just come back around.
Yeah.
And then I'll link it to this video in the description,
Okay.
if you want me to.
That'll work.
Yeah, I'd love to help you pass it on. Definitely be a lot of people interested in it, that's for sure. Is that not cool, guys? As always.